I like the subwoofer mount holding up and about to get a loud bass demo. Give them a like. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Hey, what's up, Joe? Hey, yeah, just a second. How you doing, man? I'm just doing a walk around real quick. How you doing? I'm sorry, I'm checking everything out. I like the subwoofer mount holding up and oh, it is?
A very, very, very bad story.
It is?
They thought that this was like a bad.
It is? Yeah. What's up, man? I like you have a little subwoofer holding up your hood thing.
It kind of went bye-bye this morning.
Oh, you pulled one out?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. So could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name is Josh. I got 3 Def Bombs 3015s on a Stinson 5K at 1.6.
Okay. Your electrical, battery, alternator, all that?
I got I think it's a JS300. Okay. 2 access powers and blue top.
Okay.
2 runs of 2 off from the front to back.
Who built the box?
The guy Jim. I don't know where he went.
Jim? Okay.
I just bought the car last Saturday.
Okay.
It didn't run. I fixed it and got everything planned by the day.
All right. Do you know the box specs at all, the tuning or anything?
It's tuned at 32.
32. And you had this sub patched this morning.
Yeah.
It just blew.
Yeah, it just blew. So I put it on the hood and.
So what is your impedance at? Did it change from?
Yeah, it was at 2 ohms. Now I'm at 1.5.
Oh, okay.
It's a 2 ohm amp, so we're letting the box rise.
Oh, yeah, got it. All right.
Take care of the risk.
How much of a difference can you tell going from the 4 to the 3?
A lot.
Is it lower, louder, quieter?
So it plays more lows.
Okay.
Surprisingly.
Yeah, because you have more motors for the cubic space.
Yeah.
Less motors, I mean, yeah. Got it. Does it do better with one window up or both windows? It does? Okay.
It does better with one window up. From opening that door to shutting it.
Yes, sir.
It's a huge difference.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Very nice. What was your peak frequency on this?
On this one here is 37.
37. So you happy with it?
I love it.
You love it.
I just bought it last week, so I'm
Sadly, you had a sub down, but you got it playing and it's working, man.
Yep.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk-around we just got of Joshua's system. So this was at the Ruckus and Chill show at Fayetteville, North Carolina in 2022. If you didn't notice, we had clothes that changed, so I had a demo from Saturday and Sunday. So go ahead, if you haven't already, give him a like, as well as comment, let him know some positive things you like about his system. He had some alternator issues on Saturday, so I had to make sure I got back up with him for additional demo footage for y'all to enjoy for Sunday as well. So going from 4 subs to 3 definitely gave him a lower end response. I noticed in the demo, and he had that extra subwoofer blue underneath the hood. Thought that was funny to show y'all again that he had it holding up his hood. And it did a really good job playing the lower frequencies. I definitely could tell it has a musical response. And you're going to get to see the subflex just like in this clip here later. Playing a pretty impressive song he's got custom from a DJ, as well as he's going to have some outside and inside subflex and hatch flex. Tearing up his vehicle, so enjoy the demo. Okay. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. I like it. Subsystem, man.
Yes, sir.
Made me sneeze a little. Whew. Is there any way I can get the seats forward for a picture?
Yeah.
Hey, you want to do one more with the doors open? Is there anything you can play with the doors open with the subflex? That way I can get something with right here.
Yeah.
I'm sure they would like that.
Probably will.
Just don't blow it or play something too full tilt. I'm sure with both doors open, you peak a lot higher.
Yeah.
I'm hella fine, I got some niggas, but I ain't mine. Can't stop this bitch, don't stop this bitch. I'm so player. You won't never catch me sleep. Hey, I'm a Lisa. I'm smoking reef. There ain't your nigga, he ain't no keeper. He a eat. I'm a stoner. Popular loner. Fat blunts, white roses, I'm a song. Got me younger, hot in the summer. I keep a tree, know how I'm coming. Important reach, you can't reach me by my number.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.